is that Alice? Are you Alice? Are you? Who said that? There you go. Hello. Welcome back to the Queen Daily. I am the Queen of Hearts. Obviously. Heart, heart, heart. Hearts all over my crown. Because I'm the Queen. Anyway, enough with me. If you want to see how I became the Queen, keep on watching. Let's get on to the video. Boop. We're going to start by curling my hair. We're using a small curling iron. We're just curling it towards my face. My mom's just going to keep curling my hair. Oh. Now we're going to brush it out and try to make it into a heart shape.
So we're going to leave the front part of Daya's hair out. I'm going to split her hair in 2 sections. This is going to be one side of the heart, and that's going to be the other side. Now I'm just brushing the hair out, and we're trying to make the 2 sides look like the tips of the hearts.
Look at that. It looks weird.
And then these front pieces, we're going to brush out smooth.
Now I've got this towel so that I can spray my hair. We're using colored hairspray red. Woohoo! Stinks. Okay, now I'm going to use some clear glue to put my eyebrows down. And that's going to make it so that you can't see my eyebrows because the Queen of Hearts has her eyebrows like all the way up there. Pretty tall. So we gotta hide my brows. It's just gonna feel sticky. This is just gonna stick my eyebrows down so you can't see my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna use a bobby pin. I'm gonna go like this. My mom told me to, not me. Now I'm gonna set my eyebrows with powder since they've dried. You need to let them dry before you do this. Now I'm gonna use my sponge and press it. I'm gonna fan brush, sweep it off. I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild paint pot in the color white. Obvious because it's white. Then we're literally gonna cover the whole face. Have any of you guys seen Alice in Wonderland? I have. Why do you think I'm doing it? I think Alice in Wonderland is so cool because of all the colors. And it's wonderful. And it's wonderful. And it's wonderful. Not to mention they have the best makeup and costumes. Give me a thumbs up if you guys want to see me turn into the Mad Hatter. You're Mad Hatter. And now I'm the Queen of Hearts and I am mad. Off with your heads! I'm gonna wipe face. And I'm gonna start with powder. Pat a little. Pat, pat, pat a little. Now we're gonna do the blue eyeshadow. NYX Limited one. I'm using this color. We wanted to do this look today because it's around Valentine's Day. Done. I'm gonna have my mom do my eyebrows and I'm gonna do the little mole. Now I'm gonna draw my eyebrows with liquid liner. Follow the top of the eyeshadow line. Now I'm gonna draw the mole. Now time for the lashes. Now I'm gonna pop on the lashes. Ooh, that's better. Now I'm gonna use a red liner to draw the outline of the lips. I'm gonna draw them like a heart. Now we're gonna add liquid lipstick in it. Now I'm just gonna contour my cheeks a little bit. Now I'm gonna put some glitter in my hair. Now I'm gonna go get my crown on. Who ate my tots? Subscribe if you like this video, and ta-ta!